And I thought it was supposed to be like it. I thought you would end up with a boyfriend, but always thinking about me when you go sleep. Well, I was wrong. I wrote you this song to let you know what you need to know. That all I need is to make sure you love, that you love me, and there's nothing above. And now that we have found each other's hands, or so